Hi guys, this is Akash and welcome to Rankwatch. Today we're going to talk about one of the most important module of Rankwatch, Site Auditor. But remember guys, before you get into any of the aspect of SEO, it's important that your website is ready for the search engine to increase its indexing capabilities. And Rankwatch Site Auditor is exactly going to help you achieve that. Well, Site Auditor is a newly launched module which is loaded with tons of information. But in nutshell, I'll try to cover all the data points within this feature. Now, before we get into the crude numbers, it's important that we understand two important data sets of this module. Number one are the notices, and number two are the errors. The notices are the good to know information of your website. So if you're a website owner, a developer, or a manager, these are the information that you might need to check, maybe do a little bit of tweaks to see the changes. However, errors on the other hand side need your attention. They need to be fixed. They have to be corrected so that you can increase the indexing capability of your website. What you're seeing right now is the summary dashboard of the audit for your website. This includes all the basic information of the audit that we have done, starting from the crawling stats till the errors that we have noticed. So in the top, what you can see is the crawl stat. These, like I said before, are primarily the notices that you want to keep a track of. Site score is the paid-in score of Rankwatch that is given out of the total number of issues that we have found. For example, this website, Kraken.com, has got a score of 74 out of 100. Seems to be a decent website when it comes to the issues. We have the issues overview trend graph. There's only one crawl down, so you have just seeing the pointers here. Issue distribution. Now this segment is important. We have distributed the issue on the basis of degree and the type as well. So in the degree, it depends upon the criticality, that how many issues are medium, high or low, and the type, on what basis all these issues are categorized. Moving down, we have the page depth. Page depth is essentially the level at which different URLs are found during the crawl. Load time distribution is very important. It comes under the performance parameter. It gives you the distribution of your page response time and divide it into slow, medium or fast categories. So in this particular section, you can see that Kraken.com, I guess almost 75% of the pages have a load time which gives a good response time. Just a little bit out there, 13 pages are having slow URLs. Somebody will need to look into that and probably get that fixed. Then moving on, we have all the non-indexable pages. Now, non-indexable pages includes a lot of parameters. There are a lot of parameters that you can pass within your web page to make it non-indexable, to make sure that Google is not crawling them. You probably want to give a check whether you're rightly non-indexing a page or not. Maybe there's a page which is probably very important to you, but for some reason they are not being indexed because of some of the things that you have done over it. You're gonna get into that URL and have a look into it. hrefLang, very important for multinational websites which have content in different languages. We have the HTTP codes distribution here that gives you the categorization of all the server response codes from 200 pages to 500 errors. Backlinks, this data is coming very soon. It will include external links, no-follow links of your website. This will help you in understanding what links that you want to keep, which is taking you away from your website. Let's get into the crawl stat module. Like I've mentioned before, this is the good to know information of your website. You click on view all, you will land onto a page that will give you all the parameters that you need to know about your website, from primary pages till the total number of failed URLs that we have received within the crawl. Below this segment, you will get the listing of all the URLs that we have crawled. So right now for Kraken.com, we have crawled 203 different URLs. If you come down, all these 203 URLs will be loaded one by one. Let's say you want to check out what are the 301 redirects that we have found during the crawl. So you click on 301 redirect, 25 number of pages are there. Click on this number and the 25 URLs will be listed down here. Now you've got to know that why you have put this URLs on the 301 redirect, and you do know that they are non-indexable in nature because it is targeting to a different page. So let's talk about the HTTPS pages as well. So out of 203 pages that we have crawled, 179 are running over the secure protocol, HTTPS. What are these URLs? On what level we found these URLs? What is the status code of it? What is the indexing capability? and the load time, that what is the response time it is taking to load the page. Now let's get back to the summary dashboard from the breadcrumb here and see the issues that we have found onto your website. Whereas way to reach on the page, you can click on total issues here, or right from the crawl stat page as well. You can come down, and if you want to dedicatedly look into some type of issue based on the degree or based on the type, based on the criticality, you can come down here as well to move to that section. So let's just do it from here. Let's suppose that I want to see all the high issues related to the website crackit.com. So I'm going to click on view all. I'll be landed onto a page that will give me a brief statistics of the issues that we have found on the basis of criticality. So total issues found are 15, 12 are high, 2 are medium, and 1 issue is low. So what are the high issues? We have already filtered it out for you. So these are the names of the issues and what category type they belong to is all listed down here. So for example, that high load time has been found under the performance segment. So in 30 number of pages, click on that, and 30 number of URLs will be listed down here. So you can probably get an idea and which are these pages, whether they are indexable or non-indexable, what is their HTTP status, and what is the exact load time that I'm receiving for these high load pages. Coming back to the criticality level, then again you can choose and go into the medium level issues. Click on the medium number here and we'll show you the issues that fall under the medium category. We have carefully chosen these parameters. We have put together all the research work to make sure that right information is passed on to you. Now let's get back to the issues type again and see the distribution of issue on the basis of its type. So right now for crackit.com, there are 4 types of issues that we have found based on content, external linking, indexing, and performance. We have already seen performance, that it is about slow and medium response times of the pages. Let's get down to the content segment and see what are the issues that we have found. So these are the issues listed down, 10 issues from there. How many pages are affected by individual issues? You can see the 153 pages. Now out of 203 pages that we have crawled, 153 pages are missing the H1 tag. Now H1 tags are very important when it comes to SEO for Google, because Google is giving a lot of preference to the H1 tag in the content of your page. If you want to check out these pages, click on 153 and you will land it onto the URL listing page where you can see all these pages which are missing the H1 tags. If you want to go back to the summary dashboard, here are the breadcrumbs. Click on it and you will be back onto the main dashboard of Site Auditor. Now, one of the most important aspects of Site Auditor data is the crawl setting, which you can find out using this advanced settings here. Click on this and you will be landed onto the page where you will be able to see all the advanced settings related with your crawling. So these are the compulsory information that you need to check, that you need to give to us so that we can initiate the crawl for your website. So choose your best seed URL configuration. Now here it's very important that what URL you are giving to Rankwatch in order to initiate the crawl. Here for crackit.com, my website is probably running on a secure protocol, and let's say that I want to change the seed URL so that it is configured onto the next crawl that Site Auditor does for this website. So let's say I want to go for HTTPS and with a www as well. So this becomes a seed URL, and next time whenever your next crawl is scheduled, we will pick up HTTPS and www protocol to start crawling of your website. Other information that you can choose from are the crawl speed, the URL limit, whether you want to follow the robots protocol, if you want to just check the secure pages or just check the non-secure pages, or even both. You can schedule your crawl for weekly, fortnightly, or monthly. Then you can schedule the time as well. So a lot of other features are coming in here. We will be giving you more hands, more flexibility in terms of the crawl setting. Remember guys, this is a beta. I know it's doesn't give us any excuse to the development of the program, but your help and your support is highly appreciated. We are making so many changes. This module is developing every day. We are making it more comprehensive for you. We are making it more exciting for you. If you have any suggestion, if you have any feedback, please submit it to us and we'll get that implemented for you. So this is more or less about Site Auditor. I'm pretty sure this is going to help you maximize the output of the data that you have received. If you have any question, submit it on to support@rankwatch.com and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.